Hello, Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a 2018 Galeon 405 HTC. Starting at the back of the boat, absolutely enormous swim platform. Lots of room if you're hanging out, using it as a swim deck or a place to store some of the toys. Great thing about this boat, when we're talking about storing toys, this has a dedicated trunk. This does lift up and you can actually store a dinghy inside of there. As we move over to the port side, very wide entrance, easy walkway, easy to get through into the cockpit of the boat. Large U-shaped seating. The table does flip for easy access. Give you a little bit extra space if you need it. Extra table space if you're putting on a big spread for entertaining. Speaking of entertaining, as we move in through the cockpit, great entertainment space. You get a cockpit grill, sink with cold and warm water, as well as a refrigerator. Again, tucks away nicely underneath the hardtop, so depending on the weather, it kind of gets you out of the way. As you move forward to the helm, we have a really nice double wide helm seat with a flip up bolster seat. Kind of gets you up, gets you that nice commanding view of the water. Full electronics package, so we have radar, GPS, autopilot, as well as joystick docking. This particular boat is powered by Volvo D6 stern drive, so it's very fast and efficient on the water, and gives you the ability to have the joystick for docking. Opposite the helm, you do have a nice bench able to lounge out or sit 3-4 people that doesn't separate away from the captain, so it kind of keeps everybody here near the helm station. Again, raised up so you still have nice visibility when you're running forward. Have to talk about the large sunroof. Slides all the way back, gives you all that indoor-outdoor feeling with breeze in your hair and sun in your face. Main salon has lots of light throughout. As you can see, there's all sorts of windows in the ceiling, so you do get that natural light feeling. You don't feel like you're down in a cave. Large seating space, easily room for 6. And it does have a small leaf that flips up here also to make the table a little bit bigger. Great size galley, lots of storage throughout. You have a hidden away refrigerator, big deep sink, 2-burner stove, really everything you need. As you move forward on this boat, you're going to go past the entrance to the day head, which also connects to the master stateroom. Large forward stateroom with good headroom, large berth, and the overhead lighting, overhead windows. Storage compartment on one side, entrance to the main head as well. Separate shower stall, makes it real great for staying the weekend on. As we move to the aft of the boat, go back to the second stateroom. You do have a convertible berth, so you can do 2 singles back here or a queen. Just slides one way or the other. Small seating area, large hanging locker. Added bonus for a 40-foot boat, you do have a second head. It does have a shower as well. Very accessible, nice wide walkways on either side of the boat. The rail does open on either side also if you are tied up to a fixed pier. Again, just great seating, great space to be for a 40-foot boat. So to wrap things up, 2018 Galeon 405 HTC. I'm Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We'd love to show you this boat.